At Cummins, we care about the well-being of you and your family, and we want to support you in all areas of wellness. In 2024, the It's Okay program will focus on our 4 pillars of well-being. First, we'll continue to talk about mental wellness, including awareness, acceptance, and managing emotions and behaviors. We'll also discuss financial wellness, how we think about our money habits, and short and long-term goals for financially improving our quality of life. We'll also talk about physical wellness, how we take care of our bodies and engage in healthy behaviors that make us feel better. And finally, social wellness, the way we connect with others and contribute to our communities. All of these areas are part of our lives, and they have a direct impact on how we feel and our overall health and well-being. As we start a new year together, we're focused on helping you wherever you are in your wellness journey. Every month, watch for our It's Okay 360 newsletter that will include information on these 4 focus areas, as well as webinars, podcasts, learning sessions, and more. All are available to you. Additionally, visit the Cummins It's Okay website for EAP resources in your area, as well as articles, videos, and links to upcoming events. Please visit often because we're regularly updating the site with helpful resources. And if you have a question, drop us a note. Remember, wherever you are in your journey, it's okay. We're here to help.